Good morning, sir. Um, Today we are discussing about the training activity matrix. My qualification, it is focused in the fishing gear repair and maintenance NC3. Um, as you can see, um, this is my training plan. And also this is my training matrix. Um, According to the training plan, we have a basic competencies. The basic competencies is under the develop and practice negotiation skills. The basic competencies in the matrix, we put or we transfer in the matrix. That also the training activity task. We transfer into the training matrix, which is the prepare in a negotiation plan by identifying the need or information and etc. This training activity is the training plan is ginawa natin is pinag-replace natin yung kada statements or kada activity task. And also the trainee, it is focused on the respondent one, and also the facilities, tools and equipments in the training plan. Um, as you can see, we transfer or we put in the activity matrix. The venue, the training plan have a venue which is the Kaila Fishing Gear Center, and we transfer to the venue of the training activity matrix. The date and time, repeat the process. We copy and we transfer it into the training activity matrix. Um, we come now to the common competencies under the apply safety measure in the farm operation. Repeat the process. We copy the competency and also the training activity of the training plan into the training activity matrix. Repeat the process, the tools and equipments we transfer in the matrix, and also the venue, the date and time. And also, let's come now to the core competencies of a trainee. The training plan under the competency of evaluate net mending, we copy the core competency in in the training matrix. We copy the training activity, which is examine and complete. They will put in the training matrix. And also, it is focused to the respondent 10. Um, we copy the tools and equipment and also the materials into the training matrix and also the venue, the date and time. The date and time and also um nilagyan ko po siya ng remarks na align sa activity task ng matrix, which is the training, examine and recorded net characteristic and condition correctly based on approved specification. Next, trainee completed net repair document properly according to requirements. Or, bukod po dito, I will explain the date and time. The training activity have a time 5 minutes and 30 ay 5 hours and 30 minutes. Nagsimula po siya in September 1, 1 a.m. 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and the second day is 8 a.m. and to 9:30 a.m. And the complete required document, the second activity, it is um focus on the day 2, which is the September 2, 9:30 a.m. and 12 p.m. and ends to September 3 in 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. And that would be all. Thank you.